Hey guys, so today we'll be unpacking the glue gun itself, and the pack I ordered came with 50 glue sticks. These are the standard size glue sticks, really long, you can see. Not sure how the quality is going to be considering how cheap I got them for, but we'll find out. So here's the glue gun itself. So let's just quickly look around the package. So that's the brand, and then it just says glue gun, the model number. So with this glue gun, it's a UK plug. You get the glue nozzle that goes in here. It has a thermostat and it has an on-off switch, which is good, so that it's not just as soon as you plug it in, it just turns on. Looking at the back, it just tells you how to operate it, some of the characteristics and applications on how to use it. So that's about it. Let's open it up.
A few moments later.
So here we go, here's the instructions. Put that to one side, I kind of ripped the paper. Bad design. And here's the glue gun itself. So let's put the glue gun down. And it also comes with this little stand. So this is so that the glue gun can rest and not touch anything. It mounts into there. So yeah. Other than that, guys, let's just quickly look at the actual product itself. So it's solid ABS plastic. The handle feels a bit flimsy, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sure when the product is in, the pressure will be there. It's got very good reviews on Amazon. Doesn't feel as cheap as a lot of the other ones. It's got the nice rubber part here to prevent from burning, and just the tip where the glue comes out of. And you have your melting sticks that go in here and melt. So this one here is a 60-watt glue gun, which is really good considering. The measurements around 7 inches in length. And in height is around 6 inches, and in width is around 3 inches. It has a non-slip grip at the back, but it's yeah, it will help. It's still plastic, it's not rubber at the back, which is a bit of a shame. So other than that, yeah, so on the inside here, these are rubber. And this is a high quality rubber. This should help prevent it from leaking. It's also got overheat protection with an LED light here. So if it does overheat, it will start flashing and you can turn it off. And it should automatically turn off itself. And again, it goes up to 60 watts, so it should take a decent temperature. We can turn it on and give it a try if you hold on. So here's one of the sticks itself. Standard, nothing to really talk about. Feed that through the back and slide it in like so. Give you a switch here, on off. Let's plug it in. So I think the cord of this glue gun is 1 meter. So you have to be quite close to whatever you're working with. Yes, it's 1 meter. Okay, so when it's on, you see a LED indicator up here. So let's just turn it on. I think that is on. Not too sure, there's no display right now on there. So guys, it does say we have to allow it up to 8 minutes to heat up the glue. So I'm going to give it 8 minutes and be back. So, but guys, it's been around 5 minutes now, so we're just going to give it a try. While I've waited, I'll give you some feedback. So if you look within, you can see there's a LED indicator on the inside. That's just showing that it's heating up. It's a shame this one's not showing anything. Not sure why, if it's just broken here. Or the LED bulb might be dead, not 100% sure. Other than that, I've attached the front stand so it sits like so, which is pretty good. And let's just see how the glue works. So, not sure if I can show you if it's coming out. As you can see, there's the glue. And there's the glue coming out. Okay, and then once we're done, wipe that off and see if it leaks. As you can see, it's not leaking, which is great. Turn it upside down for a bit, shake it, and no, guys, it's not leaking. So that was a quick video on this 60-watt glue gun. It's going to be very good for doing general DIY, like making frames and putting pieces together, especially covering electricals. So I'll be using this for my Xiaomi scooter. So stay tuned for more videos, guys. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Peace out.